Is your HyperX mouse not working? This video will guide you through troubleshooting common issues related to USB connectivity, drivers, and the sensor. We'll cover solutions relevant as of December 2025, including updates to HyperX's Ingenuity software and compatibility with Windows 12 and macOS Sonoma 15. A faulty USB connection is a frequent cause of mouse issues. First, check for bent pins on the USB connector. Try different USB ports to isolate the issue. If using a USB hub, ensure it's powered. Swapping the USB cable can help identify a faulty cable. For wireless mice, enter pairing mode by pressing the DPI button for 3 seconds. Outdated or incorrect drivers can cause mouse malfunction. Use HyperX's Ingenuity software to manage drivers. Uninstall old drivers via Device Manager on Windows or via System Report on macOS. Download the latest drivers from hyperxgaming.com and perform a clean install. Avoid generic drivers, as they can lead to sensor drift. Sensor problems in HyperX mice often stem from dust accumulation, incompatible mouse surfaces, or calibration errors that cause erratic movement or cursor jumps. To clean dust from the sensor, use compressed air to blow away debris gently without touching the sensor directly. For incompatible surfaces like glass, switch to a mouse pad with a textured surface to ensure proper sensor tracking. Adjust DPI settings in the Ingenuity software to match your needs, reducing sensitivity for precision or increasing for speed. Fine-tune the lift-off distance in Ingenuity to prevent cursor jumps when lifting the mouse slightly off the surface. HyperX's Ingenuity software version 3.5.0 includes a built-in troubleshooter that automatically scans for common issues. This tool checks for USB power delivery problems and sensor calibration errors, helping to identify and fix them without manual steps. The AI diagnostics automatically diagnose and resolve these issues, significantly reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. For example, the troubleshooter can complete scans that previously required multiple manual checks, streamlining the process for users. For wireless HyperX mice like the Pulsefire Surge, start by ensuring firmware is updated. Version 1.2.4 specifically addresses Bluetooth connection dropouts. Wireless mice use either Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz technology. For Bluetooth connections, interference from other wireless devices can cause problems. 2.4 GHz dongles provide lower latency compared to Bluetooth, making them better for gaming where response time matters. If problems continue, try repairing the mouse with its receiver by pressing the pairing button for a few seconds. Common issues with HyperX mice include USB-C compatibility problems on newer laptops, sensor drift, and Bluetooth pairing failures after macOS updates. USB-C compatibility issues are common on newer laptops. Simply try using a USB-A port instead. Sensor drift can often be resolved by cleaning the sensor and calibrating through the Ingenuity software. Bluetooth pairing failures after macOS updates may require installing a firmware patch. Remember, basic USB and driver checks resolve most HyperX mouse issues. Always restart your computer after making driver changes. This ensures the new drivers are properly loaded and any cached settings are cleared, preventing conflicts that could cause mouse issues. Check for firmware updates regularly via the Ingenuity app. HyperX releases updates that fix bugs, improve performance, and add features. Regular checks help maintain optimal mouse functionality and prevent issues from outdated firmware. Test the mouse on another computer to determine if the issue is mouse-specific. If it works fine elsewhere, the problem likely lies with your current system's setup, such as drivers or USB ports. This helps isolate whether to focus on mouse maintenance or computer troubleshooting. Proactive maintenance, including cleaning and driver updates, can prevent future problems and extend the life of your HyperX mouse. Regular cleaning removes dust from the sensor, while keeping drivers updated ensures compatibility and optimal performance, reducing the need for reactive troubleshooting.